Thermostatic swimming pool system. The heat pump comes with a hose adapter. Step 1. Install the adapter at the inlet and outlet of the heat pump. Step 2. Connect the two ports of the first hose to the heat pump outlet and the pool inlet respectively, and then tighten the hose with clamps. Step 3. Install the two ports of the second hose respectively with the inlet of the heat pump and the outlet of the water pump, and then tighten the hose with clamps. Step 4. Install the two ports of the third hose with the water pump inlet and the pool outlet respectively, and then tighten the hose with clamps. The installation of pool heat pump has been completed.